All right, so let's talk about previewing our audio files in Pro Tools. So today I want to talk about a few different ways that we can preview our audio files when we're working in Pro Tools. So the last one that I'm going to show you is kind of new and interesting to me, at least. Some of you guys might be using it already. You might have been using it for years, for all I know, but it's new and interesting to me, so that's why I'm making this video. But the first couple are pretty commonly known as far as I know. So one way you can do it is you just go in your Finder window, or the Windows version of the Finder window, and you find your audio file and you can actually preview it. So for example, I can just hit play here and preview this audio. So this is just a podcast that I'm working on, so it's just people talking. So I do use this method to preview audio files sometimes. I have a whole sound effects library on one of my external hard drives here, and sometimes I'll just use this method to preview audio files, to be honest. Sometimes I'll double click them and open them up in QuickTime, and then I'll preview them that way. Most of you probably know that method of previewing audio files, right? It's pretty obvious. You just open it and listen to it on your computer in one way or another. But what I want to show you is within Pro Tools, when we go to Command-Shift-I to import audio, you can then find your audio. So I actually have these audio files from before I imported them, and they're still here, so that's convenient. So what you can do is you can actually click on whichever audio file you want to preview, and then you can go down to this section here on the Import Audio dialog, and you can actually just hit play and preview the audio file. You can jump around it by moving this little slider here. You can adjust the volume by moving this slider here. So I'll just do that really quick so you can hear it.
Is that working now? Yeah, it's. There was some pressure because, but it was also.
Cool. So a lot of you are probably familiar with this method of previewing audio files. A lot of us use the import audio dialog frequently, so a lot of people already know about that. All right, and so this third method for previewing audio is actually the reason why I wanted to do this video. So basically what you do is you go to your clip list. If you don't see your clip list here on the right of your actual edit window, right? So I'm in my edit window here. I'm not in my mix window. So if I do Command equals, I go to the mix, Command equals edit. Basically, you can open up your clip list by clicking on this little, an arrow icon. So you click on that and that'll open up your clip list if it's not already displaying. You can also hover between the border between your timeline here and the actual clip list and get this little double arrow icon. And then you can click and drag if you want to, for example, see the whole file name, whatever you want it to be. You can make it bigger, smaller. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to hold Option and then click on whatever file you want to preview. So I'm holding down Option. It activates this icon here, the little speaker icon. And then you just click and hold. And so you have to hold down the mouse button for the duration of your preview. So I'm going to do that just to show you. So I'm going to click and hold.
Right now. Okay, cool. It's recording.
And then I release when I'm done. So as soon as I release that mouse button, the preview ends. And that's it. I've previewed my audio. Hopefully I've made a decision about it. I can then, drag it into the timeline if I want, do whatever I want to do with it. So I'm going to do undo for that. So that's basically it. I hope someone out there found this helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would appreciate all that stuff. And I do have that Patreon. So it's patreon.com/CatoNoise. And my patrons do get access to additional content. So we have a bunch of content on my website. We have some content on the actual Patreon page. We also have a Discord server that we've all been hanging out on, sharing our work, talking about our work, doing group voice chats as well. And we also have a book club now on the Patreon Discord. So it's been a ton of fun. It's really been a ton of fun. But other than that, you can check that out. And other than that, I come out with new videos every Wednesday, and thank you for watching. Okay.